Okay, well, it's been about 4 days, and what I've done is I've actually put these plants in their final resting spot right before the actual transplant. Now, I had those molds put in there, so I haven't put these in the dirt yet, but they're just dropped in that same mold that I made. But now these plants have dried out enough, and they'll be much easier to transplant and to investigate the roots than them being a wet, soggy mess. But that plant is looking very good. They've all seemed to have come around quite well. I mean, if you remember, these plants were pretty bad, in my opinion. But as resilient as they are, they came back. And, that's what I've always said about these plants. They're crazily strong. Look at that one. Again, these aren't in the soil. These are just sitting in the molds. But today's the day. It's been about 4 days. We've had 90-plus degree weather and absolutely wicked winds. I'm so blessed to have these shields. I don't have any sticks that are holding these up. Well, this is that LSD. Look at her, actually. She's going to be the pretty runt of the group. She's got some new growth on top there. No question. And then, if you look down here, these stems are starting to come out of the side shoots. This girl looks like she might live. And what a blessing that'll be. This LSD strain is wonderful. Definitely a wake and bake type of strain. This is amazing stuff. Great white. You make a very fine powder. Preferably don't do this in high wind like I'm doing. I'm just going to cake the sides of this bad boy. You look very nice. Like you were decorating a birthday cake. Get all the side walls totally covered and make sure the bottom is nice and covered. This will really give this plant a serious kick in the ass. One thing nice about transplanting is you can tell when they're ready. Now I've let this dry out in such a way that the pot is actually quite light, so I know it's ready for some water. It'll also make this thing hopefully just fall into my hand without disturbing the roots at all. When it's too wet, it's just kind of muddy and things stick together and whatever. But California dream, transplant day. Everybody hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Bessie. There you come. Whoa. Look at those roots. Yeah, lovely. Now, which way looks best? I think it's going to be that way. Oh, a little crooked. There we go. Falls in place. Now, we're going to make sure that it's good and happy. Time for some of this aerated water. We're going to get this all wet. Yeah, they're thirsty. And plus the soil around them now it had that compost tea in there about 4 days ago. But it's been 90 degrees the last 2 days. And we've had winds with gusts up to 40. So it's been no joke. These pots took a battering, but I had those, wind protectors / UV protector around them, so they did pretty well during it, but it was still enough to dry out these pots. Fabric pots are cool, but they do respond to their environment much quicker than another pot would do. But the beauty about them is you can never really overwater them because it just seeps out what doesn't need to be there. And that's kind of nice. So again, remember, we're watering the soil. The soil needs to be watered. We're making living soil. That whole boogie brew was to start things off. You want to make your soil happy. Your soil's happy and alive. Your plants will be gargantuous. At least big. This one's already got some beautiful red veining coming on the inside. This is again the California Dream, and she's just a wonderful strain. She's already kind of moved over and looked the other way since I dropped her in that hole. I don't have time lapse yet, and I want to get some kind of camera, something that'll give me true time lapse capabilities. If you guys know anything or a brand or something I should look at, please put it down in the comments. But I would love to just watch one of these plants go over 2 or 3 days. You'll see a difference. There's no question that they move. There is so much new growth on this. It's just unbelievable. He's a lovely specimen, to say the least. We'll get you a close-up. Yep, this plant is ready to go. I got a nice aromatic odor happening here. Not necessarily from the plant, but more from the nice moist soil that we just transplanted them into. I think these girls will be ready for another 90-degree day. They're prepped. It's time to cover her up for sure. Looking good. California dream. StroudLoud.
There is peace in growing, comfort in this living soil.